Hey there, it's Walter here from FXJake.com, and I want to talk about my favorite trade at the moment, or the one that I really like the look of, which is the gold chart. I've got the 4-hour chart on here, but really it comes down to a weekly chart trade. So what it is, it's this giant bullish big shadow candle, which is basically a type of engulfing candle. And you can see that the market has repeatedly bounced off this 1720 level. It found some support here. It found a little bit of resistance here. A little bit of support there. We can't really go back much further, but it's actually better on the daily chart. This is really set up to be a daily chart. So those weekly touches didn't look so good. But if you go back 1720. Right here, resistance as a double top, lots of support here on the dailies. So a little bit of support there, a little kangaroo tail on the way up, big shadow actually on the way down, another kangaroo tail at this level on the way up, came back down, held for a couple days and broke through. So 1720, great spot to look for trades. It touched it after breaking through, it touched it and bounced and came up. What I like about it is that the weekly has given us a really clear indication that this pair is, at the very least, is probably going to double top and come up to 1780 again. But what's nice is it's given us a little bit of a pullback here and an opportunity to get in off of this 1720 level. There's two ways to play it. One is to buy above these highs. Now these highs are at 1734 basically. So if it gets to 1734.90, that would be good enough, I think, to give us an indication that's going to go up. Another way would be just wait for a bullish candle off 1720 down here. If it gives us a kangaroo tail or a nice big blue bullish candle, that would be enough to go up. And I've got really clear targets here. My first target, let me go to my weekly charts. My first target would be the level at 1777, which is basically saying it's going to double top right here, which clearly the market has touched here, there, even in the wicks of these candles touched back there. 1777 is a great spot to take profit. However, it could break through and go higher. It could go to 1820, and 1820, although you can't really see it on this chart, it doesn't really show up very well. If I go to a daily chart, the 1820 level really shows up right around here, where you see resistance, support. It's right in this area here on the 1820 level that it repeatedly turns around, and the line chart will show that. See, 1820 level is right about there. And I'll make that a dashed line to remind me that the market can break through it and isn't likely to just get stuck there. So there you go. Those are my two targets. That's why I like this trade. And right now is a great opportunity, I believe, to get in on a little bit of a retracement. We're just going against last week's big bullish move a little bit. It could get down all the way down to 1700, but it's unlikely. I think it's just going to pull back here and then boing, go up. And hopefully before the end of the week, we'll see a nice strong move up towards 1777. Maybe it'll happen next week, but I think it's a pretty cool opportunity to get in on a really nice setup, because when the market comes down and pulls back like this and gives you a really big bullish candle, it almost always, at the very least, will give us a double top here and then fall back down. And at the most, it could take out this target, take out this target, could even go up here and get up to where our highs were up here as well at 1885. So it could really go at this stage, and I'm keen to see what happens on this trade. All right, I wish you happy trading, and we'll see you soon. Take care.